In this video, we are going to analyse Carnival Cruise Lines ticker CCL. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start pushing to the upside? So we would have our closest resistance at $12. Now this would be key because obviously we have tried to hit this level now 5 times and keep selling off around this 11.25. So obviously that is going to be a resistance, but if we can break that, this may just be a bit of a temporary push past it and then a pullback. So just do keep an eye on this $12 level. However, if we can break this $12 level, break above it, come back to retest it as support and it holds, then it shows that we are most likely going to expect a push further upwards, and that would take us at a minimum to $13.75. A break past there would finally take us to $16.80, and then continuing further would be $19.15, going on to $22, $24.50, and then final levels at $26.50 and $29.50. Obviously, a lot of these levels are very far off, so the key thing to always focus on is really the two closest levels. Can we break above this $12 level? If not, then expect a continuation down, and then we'll get into our support levels. But if we can break it, then we want to see a break above it, come back to retest it as support. If the level can hold, then we expect to push to the next level. And again, the same thing, we want to see a break above then the $13.75, come back to test it as a new level, and if it can hold, then you expect to push to $16.80. Now onto the support side of things, what are we paying attention to? So we have already come down to, or very close to, a key level on the 1 year chart, and that would be our statistical mean at 1845. You can see it's basically where we come down and we're getting a temporary bounce, but considering we're down 7% on the Friday, and if we continue down, then we would expect to push below that 52-week low down to around $7.15, which would take us to our next statistical mean on the 6-month chart. Now already, if we break this, then it would be quite a concern, because then our next level isn't until $3.15, so it would be quite a sharp sell-off. Going past there would take us to $2.30, so again, very far off from where we are now, and it may not even get that low. So if you want to know levels in between the $7 and the $3, just pay attention to the key psychological levels. So $6, $5, $4 are obviously all going to be potential bounce areas, because that's where buying pressure usually will come in. However, one thing we're seeing not on Carnival Cruise Lines that we're seeing on other stocks is we're not having any sort of divergence. We are just pushing down. We have pushed down near enough to our 52-week low, and it's kind of pushing there. Obviously, it's a divergence from this 52-week low, but prices that has been quite a long time, so you usually like to see a bit of a newer RSI divergence. But if you like playing the longer term ones, then that can also play into the strength of this trade. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.